Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.
Namaste to all. This is Anil Kumar, the founder, director and faculty of Anish College of Commerce. Here I would like to share few things to all those students, children, those who are feeling like whether I can become what I wish, or those who are feeling there are so many hindrances of poverty, and there are so many situations which will make us down. But let me tell you one thing. This is a story about a young child who is from poverty background, from countryside. Let me say one thing. My life started in a countryside tribal area where I started with Telugu medium. I studied till 3rd class in Saraswati Shishu Mandir with Telugu medium. I used to pay some 2 digits single amount of rupees as school fee. But after 3 years of education, I was not able to pay even that amount due to very much down poverty. Then many of the people said, stop education. But the doors of government school are open. Free education, even free food in the afternoon. So I joined government school and I finished my government school primary education as well as secondary higher education. During my school days, I was participating in all the science seminars and won a lot of prizes, and I was a real champ for all the education competitions. Many of the people used to tell me, like, you can become a doctor. Seriously saying, I wanted to become a cardiologist and I aimed for science, biology, zoology. But due to poverty, I was not able to take proper decision. And during 10th also, we were having very tough time. There are near about 170 students wrote their exam in 1992, but only 11 students passed. Out of the 2 were first class, that is me and one more girl. That means if you feel you can do, definitely you can create the miracles. After the 10th, I wanted to write intermediate AP or JC entrance exam, which is free boarding, free education and all. That is Andhra Pradesh Residential Junior College at that time. So I wanted to write BPC because I want to become a cardiologist, but many of the people said it's a costly affair. So though I'm not interested, I wrote CEC as my option and stood state 4th in entrance exam. Then my journey started at Kodaginahalli APRJC Junior College, where I went and saw many of the people are from English medium. I am from Telugu medium who finished 10 years of education in Telugu. I was very much scared what to do. Many of the students, many of the people are really good in language, sophisticated way. But whereas a small guy from countryside with a trunk box entered into that college and seeing everything, and really I felt very bad. And within 10 to 15 days, I wanted to come back with homesickness. But later I came to know that there is one madam who supported me saying, you write English medium. Then I was really wondering what to do. First unit test, she helped me with all the questions and I was able to by heart all the answers and I passed all my unit 1. But later on, nobody helped me. I used to study all the chapters of the book and I completed all things, and for a miracle and hard work, I got state rank in CEC. Not only that, I got national merit, state special merit. Then the journey started in Hyderabad. I applied for Nizam, Badruka, AV. There are some commerce famous colleges at that time, aided college. Then I have selected in all the colleges and I opted AV college, which is nearby Liberty, for BCom. The selection of seat and everything is over, but what about livelihood? I don't want to depend on my parents, so I started working in Hyderabad in small STD booths throughout the day, throughout the night, and worked in hotels, worked in radium, worked in loading and unloading from lorries. I worked like seriously. Not only that, I focused on my education also. Degree first year, degree second year, I was able to manage with good marks, but in degree final year, I was introduced with so much new subjects. Then I went to Krishnaveni tutorial, which is at Hapsiguda. I asked Varaprasad sir to give me some suggestion and education. Then he said, Anil, I won't charge fees from you, but at the same time, you need to teach to your youngsters, juniors. So I started teaching to intermediate students and he taught me final year. He didn't take any fees from me and I took a lot of less salary. But at the same time, it improved my communication and teaching ability. And I stood top in my AV college and got gold medal in management accounting. Then after that, I have not turned back. I started my own tutorial in Hapsiguda in 99-2000 with 16 students. They were almost my age. I started teaching to MBA also. Then slowly, 140 students joined within 2 weeks. I started teaching from morning 5 o'clock till 9 o'clock with short breaks. Then I got a job in Ramakrishna Junior College at Neredmet, which is Bhavans. There were so many students. Then here also so many students said we want tutorial. So in 2003, again I started one more tutorial at AS Ravnagar, and in 2004 I was invited by state government for an award called B.N. Shastri Memorial Award. Again in 2004, Global Economic Council of India, Delhi nominated me for Rashtriya Ratan Award. Then I finished my MCom, I have finished my MPhil, I have finished my MBA. There are so many achievements, like near about 50 to 60 college students from morning to evening used to visit my tutorial for commerce, where I used to teach CAC, MEC, BCom, BBA, CA, LCWA, a lot of courses, and I have finished my PG, MCom, MBA, MPhil too at the same time. And I used to take orphan hostel as giving free education to them, orphans, those who have really become CAs now. Out of that orphan hostel, I have seen 2 or 3 people are CA now. I am very happy for them. So then in 2012, with the help of one of my friend who is staying in Australia, he said, why don't you start a college? With his moral and financial support, I started junior college in 2012 at AS Ravnagar. Then from the first year onwards, we got state ranks. And again in 2013, we started degree college. From the first year onwards, we got top marks in university. We got gold medals in BBA and BCom, and we never see it back. There are so many students who are qualitatively joining. Only my aim is, like, students need to develop ethics and morals along with the education. They need to build up their career and character. At the same time, I started my own campus in 2016, and that is 2017 at Saket. See, the kingdom is developed in such a way that now we have intermediate college, we have degree college, we are getting MCom college. In upcoming years, we are starting our business school. At the same time, we are having our own campus. At the same time, we are starting international courses. It's becoming a very huge. So what I want to say from this is, where is that person? Where is that common man? Where is that common child who wanted to become cardiologist and become teacher? And where is that poor poverty boy now who has become a little bit standardized person? So all the students, definitely dream well. You can become in your life whatever you want. Only the thing is, focus well, respect your parents, be focused on your target, and follow the good rules and ethics and morals in your life. Build up the character for which this college is started. I'm sure within 5 years I may start my deemed university if I'm alive, and I have certain things in my mind: own software company, own hotel industry and all. I want to give job opportunities to my students. So I am living in a common way, and I'm a common person, but at the same time I want my students to be extraordinary in their life and reach that heights and adding further success. So all the students and parents, if you feel to take admissions and all that, like these institutions, you can go and take a proper decision. See there, if you get the positive wave, yes, I can become in my life, you will definitely become. So I wish all the students, young generation, keep up your health well, follow ethics and morals, respect your parents. One fine day, you will be definitely becoming a topmost, and you will be enjoying your life. God bless you. Namaste.